We're going to start off in Fireworks and create a new Fireworks document, PNG. Start with a size of 400 by 120 and hit OK. Then I'm going to go under the Vector section and make sure I have the Rectangle tool. If this is not a rectangle, click and hold, and then you can choose the rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle on our screen. Down in the Properties panel, we want the width to be the same as our document, which is 400. Our height to be 120, and then the X and the Y to both be 0. So 400, 120, 0, 0, and it should fit in our box exactly. Then we can go to Styles and choose a style for our background. Then I'm going to go to Text, and I'm going to type in the word button, and then I'm going to change my settings for my text down at the bottom. Apply a style to your button, and then go up to Align, change it to Relative to Canvas, and then do Align Horizontal Center and Align Vertical Center. You can also change the styles of your text, the actual font. Once you have your text the way you want it, center it again, go to File, Save As. Make sure you're in Google Drive file stream, My Drive, Web Design, and we'll name this file Button. Make sure it is a Fireworks PNG so that we can go back and edit it later to make new copies if we need to. Then we'll go to the Text tool. We'll double click and we will type HTML. Click on Align Center, horizontally and vertically. Then we're going to save this for our website. So we'll click the up one level folder, go to the website folder, go into Images, and we'll name this HTML Button. Make sure this one is flattened PNG. Since it's on our website, we want it to be a smaller file, and hit Save. And then we're going to make a company website. So I'm going to make one that says Company. Center that. If it's too large like this, you can go down to Horizontal Scale. I'm going to put this at 80% and then recenter it. Depending on what type of font and what size you use, you may or may not have to do the horizontal scale. Once that's finished, go to File, Save As. You should still be inside your images. Still should be unflattened. We'll change this to Company Button. Save that, and you'll have your company button.png. Then you can close Fireworks and switch to Dreamweaver. Once you're back in Dreamweaver, I'm going to collapse my folder so I don't have as much showing. I'm going to open up my site index, so that's my main index. That's the one that should have my banner. Then the HTML link right here. I'm going to open up Images. If my company button and HTML button do not show up, hit the refresh button for them to show up. I'm going to drag my HTML button down to right here. Then I'm going to delete my text. If you put it in the right spot, it will already have the link on it. If your link is blank, take your target and point to the HTML folder so that it says HTML/. Then you'll press Enter to go to the next line, and then you'll add your company button right below it. Then if you were to save this, go to your site folder and upload and hit OK. If you get any questions, hit yes to all. Then if we were to go to the website and check it, we now have our buttons on our page, and if I click on the HTML button, it goes to my old HTML assignments.